Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style French country home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style French country home decor blends the elegance of French Provençal design with rustic time charm. It is cozy, romantic, and timeless, often evoking the feeling of a countryside farmhouse in Provence. Overall vibe: think elegant farmhouse meets rustic romance, where every item looks like it has a story, and comfort and beauty are equally important. Let's go deeper into vintage style French country home decor, exploring its origins, specific design elements for each room, and tips for achieving the look authentically. Vintage French country decor draws from rural life in the Provence and Normandy regions of France. While life was centered around farms and vineyards, it combines old world European elegance from Persian design, rustic warmth from farm living, own handcrafted charm of vintage aesthetics. The result is a relaxed luxury, not overly polished but thoughtfully crafted and lived in. Room by room breakdown. Living room. Use sleep covered sofas in linen or cotton. Choose distressed with coffee tables with curved legs. Decorate with vintage books, iron candle holders, and floral arrangements in antique jugs or pictures. Add ornate mirrors and framed botanical prints or oil paintings in gold or wood frames. Kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage crockery, iron stone, and enamelware. East, oud, or batka block countertops. Use furniture-style cabinetry, often painted in soft tones like chaise, dove grey, or antique white. Hanging copper pots, vintage French sign, and farmhouse things are key features. Dining room, a farmhouse table with a weathered finish. Mismatched chairs or upholstered dining chairs with exposed wood. Use linens with lace or embroidery, and add a candelier for a touch of refined elegance. Bedroom. Use honest iron or upholstered headboards with their own patina, bedding in soft floral style patterns or washed linen. Use antique chunks, vintage dressers, and bedside tables with curved legs, and lace curtains or wooden shutters. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tubs, vintage brass or bronze buckets. Use pedestal sinks, bedboard walls, and small antique mirrors. Also use old perfume bottles and linen towels. Signature decor elements. Toile de toile. Traditional French print featuring pastoral essence, often in blue, red, and black, on a white or cream background. Rattan and wicker chairs, baskets, or accents that bring in a rural life. Diamond textures, chickled paint, aged patina, and uneven finishes that add depth and character. Tips to achieve this look: mix old and new. Pair antique pieces with cheap productions or newer items that mimic vintage style. Focus on quality, not quantity. Select meaningful, well-made pieces that reflect craftsmanship. Use imperfection as a feature. Chips, faded fabrics, and weathered paint add authenticity. Layer natural elements. Use old stone, metal, linen, and dried flowers for depth. Thrift and salvage. Look for unique finds at flower markets, antique shops, or estate sales. The emotional essence. Prince Country Decor is not just about visual beauty, it is about creating warmth, nostalgia, and timeless elegance. Homes in this style are meant to feel inviting and lived-in rather than overly crowded. Reflect a love for history, nature, and imperfection. Offer a sense of romantic simplicity as if the space evolved over generations. It balances refinement with justicity. A space may have a candelier above a raw wood table or luxurious linens on a crickery antique bed frame. It is this contrast that gives the style its soul. Architectural and structural features. If you want to replicate the architecture or structural bones of a French country home, consider these elements. Walls and ceilings, plaster or stucco finishes, often with visible brush strokes or uneven texture. Wood beams left exposed and unpainted for authenticity. Ship-like paintboard or paneled walls add rustic character. Floors use natural materials like terracotta tiles, reclaimed wood, flagstone, or limestone, often layered with vintage-style rugs like faded Persian or simple oven jutes. Windows and doors. Tall, narrow windows with shutters. Doors may be arched or paneled, often painted in muted shades or left in natural wood. Use lace curtains or breezy linens rather than heavy drapery. Decorative styling techniques. The subtle touches bring French country style to life. Patina and taste. Use chalk paint, lime wash, or milk paint on furniture to mimic the soft, powdery, faded finishes found in antique French homes. Let imperfections show the tell a story. Layering textures. Layer natural materials like linen cushions, old or jute rugs, wood and stone surfaces, wicker baskets. This makes a natural palette feel rich and interesting. Ornamental accents incorporate small details with Baroque or Rococo flares, such as carved mirror frames, acanthus leaves, floral carvings, or sculpted edged, vintage silver or brass candlesticks. Mixing the practical and the beautiful, display utilitarian objects beautifully, like hanging your kitchen tools on a old iron rail or using a vintage milk jug as a vase. French country has similar styles. French country key difference elegant yet rustic, carved linen, soft colors, antique charm. Next, Shabby chic, more feminine and pastel heavy, often uses white with pinks and is more distressed. Rustic farmhouse, more American influence, heavier earth tones and simpler lines. English cottage, cozier and more cluttered, includes darker oats, floral wallpapers, and layers of fabrics. How to start decorating in this style? If you are beginning a transformation or redesign, here is how to ease into vintage Prince country style. Start with a neutral base, walls in soft white, cream or light grey. Choose a few anchor vintage pieces like a farmhouse table, vintage armoire or tufted chair. Layer in soft fabrics, linen curtains, shuffled throws, floral pillows, and personality with decor, antique clocks, jade lavender, ceramic pictures, or gilded frames. Style with intent, avoid over-decorating, let your favorite objects breathe in open space. Materials and finishes. Authenticity is key in this style, so materials should look natural, aged, or crafted by hand. Oats used for ceiling beams, floors, cabinets, and furniture. Prefer oak walnut pine, usually unfinished, whitewashed, or distressed. Stone and plaster. Raw limestone or fieldstone for fireplaces or exterior walls. Stone lime plaster or whitewashed walls indoors. Metalwork, old iron for candelabras, bed frames, garden gates. Antique brass or tear finishes on knobs, handles, and light fixtures. Textiles. Washed linen and cotton are staples. Avoid synthetic or glossy fabrics. Think childish toy, prints, stripes, floral embroidery, and lace. Lighting should feel soft, warm, and slightly ornate. Candelabras use crystal or old iron, often with candle-style bulbs. Table lamps, ceramic vases, or vintage glass with linen shades. Wall sconces, carved metal arms, or candle sconces in antique finishes. Avoid cold, modern LED fixtures offer warm ambient light that flatters the natural tones. Scents add atmosphere. Scents plays a subtle but important role in vintage French interiors. Use lavender, rosemary, jade herbs, and linen spray evoke the Provence countryside. Use natural base ox candles, essential oil diffusers, or vintage perfume bottles as decor and fragrance sources. Also use open windows to let in natural air and light whenever possible. Outdoor spaces. A French country garden is an extension of the interior aesthetics. Use weighted stone planters, rustic wooden iron furniture, and gravel walkways. with lavender, rosemary, hydrangeas, climbing roses, and olive trees. Consider a small bristol table with antique chairs, ideal for morning coffee or afternoon tea. Regional French country variations. There is no one-size-fits-all version of French country decor. Here are subtle regional differences. Provence, bright sun tinged with yellow, lavender, and orchids. Painted furniture with floral or olive motifs. Terracotta tiles, lavender bundles, and olive jars. Normandy, cooler tones, coastal blues, and grays. Rawer textures, stone fireplaces, aged timber. Nautical hints and sturdier farmhouse furniture. Lorraine, heavier oats, Germanic influence, hand-painted Jamoris, hand motifs, tiled stoves, colorful pottery. Understanding these results helps you tailor your decor for a specific flavor of French country, whether sunny and airy or cozy and rustic. How to source authentic or vintage-looking pieces? How to look antique shops or flower markets. Look for items from the 18 or 1950s. Estate sales in rural or older neighborhoods. Online marketplaces like Stay eBay, Cheers, First Tips. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.